Wait, shut up. He's got death claw hands. Go to the front.
Like the glove.
Look at his fingers. Wait, go to first person and pull out your fists.
I'll pull out my fist.
Yeah. Come on, go to the front, go to the front. Look at him. Look at those hands. Look at those hands. Oh my gosh.
Try standing.
Look at that. Yeah, stand up. See what happens. Oh my gosh, those are huge.
What's your half death claw?
Dude,
Yeah.
they always the best. Wait, now they're normal.
What the
Crouch,
heck?
crouch,
They're
crouch.
normal?
Crouch.
Crouch, yeah. They're normal. Oh. Alright. This is over.